What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Take a look at this 1967 Chevy C10 step-side pickup truck. This thing is in excellent condition. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle, the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you're getting before it shows up. We ship all over the US, and you can get it to any port if you want to ship it worldwide. If you like classic cars and want to see our new inventory, please hit the like button and subscribe right now. Also turn on notifications so you get notified when we post new video. Alright guys, let's get started on this 1967 Chevy C10 step-side. It's finished in a beautiful green color. This is actually a paint scheme from a 2022 Camaro. The paint is vibrant, it shines good. I would say it's probably a 9 out of 10. Maybe even a little bit better. I don't say anything's 10 out of 10, that's a show car, but this thing is very beautiful. It's a great looker. It's got a 350 under the hood, automatic transmission. It's got American racing wheels. Overall, it shows very well. It was garage kept. We'll go ahead and start with this door here. The only complaint I have about it on this side is probably going to be the gap in the door. It's got a nice little bit higher gap here. As the bottom comes, you can see that gap there. Again, I'm picking out the flaws of it from a car guy's point of view. The rest of the door is in great condition. There's no flaws on it. The roof, no flaws. You got one little thing of paint chip in here. And if we go down here, got a little bubble here, a little bubble there. And I did make a mistake earlier. I believe the paint, I'm sorry, it's not from 2022. It's 2012 Camaro. Go on this fender. Fender's in great shape. Wheels are also in great condition. I don't see any scuffs or any damage. The tires are almost new. Bumper's in great condition. No issues with it. Also lights, all work. Hood's in great shape. The gaps on the hood, it does sit very well. It looks good. They're nice and even. This fender, great shape, no bubbling, nothing on this side. Wheel, great shape. This is a nice truck, guys, I'll be honest with you. I'm usually pointing out flaws, and this one does not have much. A little flaw back there. Truck bed is solid. Again, same thing with this door. It's almost the same thing the way the gap is. It's a little bit not as tight down at the bottom. This door's a little bit better. Truck bed, solid, solid, solid. No flaws in it. I don't see anything visually. Tires almost look new. Same thing with the wheels. Wheels are practically new. They look new. There you go, Yosemite Sam. Now this is hand painted. It was hand painted 2013. Again, the truck was painted 2012. With a new Camaro color from that year. And this was hand painted on. Sign right there. You got the Chevy tips. Not a big fan of them, but they're on. The one thing I will say about this bed, the bed does not come off the tailgate. You have to unbolt it to put it down. In the bed, you got this nice wood bed. But as you can see, You got bolts here, so if you unbolt it, you can put the bed down. We'll leave that there for now. Looks like you got a little scratch here, which feels like it's in the paint. It feels like it's a little rough. I'm not really sure what that is. And then you got a little scratch here. The rest of the bed, there's no issues. I don't see any visible flaws. Again, tires are new, wheels look amazing. Back on this side again. We'll take you guys underneath. And the undercarriage is in pretty good shape. Now it looks like this body mount here, the rubber, is worn out. This is all solid. It has not been undercoated. It's basically been sitting in the garage for 10 years, 12 years. The guy bought it in 2013. The guy I got it from, and it just sat in the garage. It sat on his lift. This is all solid. It looks like there's a little scabbing here, but it's nothing terrible. I would say a nice undercoating would be great, but I don't see any particular rot. Again, this mount here, it's got a little bit of wear. It's cracking, dry rotted. And I guess that's just due from it being sitting there. Go ahead and fire it up in a moment after I show you the inside. Inside's in good shape. The interior matches just as well. Seat's nice. Yeah, typical 90s looking accessories. I'd probably get rid of those. Same thing with that. Headliner's in good shape. So you got 3 extra gauges there, showing 59,242 miles, and who knows if that is accurate or not. I'm assuming the engine had work done to it. I'll show you when we look under there, but it's unknown. Power steering, power brakes. Got a Holly on it, 4 barrel, and the Autobrock air filter. Hey guys, it sounds great. It drives great. It's a nice, solid truck. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Or you can reach me directly at 215-801-9493. That's my direct number. No salespeople, you'll get right to me. We ship all over. If you're interested, give me a call. We'll put a deal together. We can close within 48 hours. Once we get payment, we can get shipped out to you within 24 hours. We help with all shipping, facilitating everything for you. All you gotta do is pay for it and you get the car showing up at your doorstep. If you're interested, give me a call. This is a solid. I'm gonna say it again, solid truck. I don't use doesn't come across them this nice, and for what we're selling it for. Left turn signal's working. We'll check the right, and we'll also put the lights on, make sure that's working. Right turn signal's working. Lights are on. And let's check the horn test. We're not like those other guys, our horns work. There you go, guys. Appreciate you checking out our page. Give us a call today, and God bless the USA.